Welcome to Simple Machines, where we'll learn about some incredible machines that make work easier. These machines have one or very few moving parts, and they work by changing the direction or amount of force. Let's dive into the world of simple machines. Today, we'll explore 6 simple machines that are all around us. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Our first simple machine is the wheel and axle. Just think about how much easier it is to move things with wheels. The wheel and axle work together to change the direction of force and make moving objects a breeze. Next, we have the pulley. It's like having a magic rope that can lift heavy objects. With the pulley, we can change the amount of force needed to lift something by using multiple ropes and wheels. The lever is another fantastic simple machine. It's like having a superpower. By using a fulcrum as a pivot point, the lever allows us to lift heavy objects with less force. Look at that ramp. It's an inclined plane, and it's incredible how it makes moving objects up or down easier. By changing the angle of the plane, we can reduce the amount of force needed to move heavy things. Now, let's talk about the wedge. It's like a powerful tool for splitting things apart. By concentrating force on a small area, the wedge makes it possible to cut through objects or separate them with ease. Last but not least, we have the screw. It's not just for holding things together tightly, it's a simple machine that makes work easier. By turning the screw, we can move things with less effort and secure them in place. Simple machines are all around us, quietly making our lives easier. Whether it's wheels on a car, a pulley system at a construction site, or a lever in a playground, understanding how these machines work opens up a world of possibilities. We've explored the wheel and axle, pulley, lever, inclined plane, wedge, and screw, 6 remarkable simple machines that change the way we do things. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. If you want to continue your exploration and have some fun, click the link in the description below to play an exciting game related to simple machines. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and stay tuned for more fascinating topics to learn about.